My dear students, in the previous class, we were exactly learning about healthy life, means Arogyapurna Jivana, and in which we learned comparison between we people and those of our ancestors or people in ancient time, long, long ago or many years ago. We also understood that people in ancient time or long, long years ago were not only stronger but also healthier than us. But we are not as strong and as healthy as our ancestors because they used to eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, pulses, take exercises, go for walking, okay, playing games and sports, and also leaping about. That all we understood in the previous class. It is because we have to be healthy. If we have to be healthy, we must do plenty of exercises, eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, pulses, and also play many kinds of sports and games. Okay, now in this class, let us continue the same topic, healthy life, of your class 7th. As a result, it turned all the witches into tiny creatures like gems. We also came to understand that since the earth was the healthiest place to live on many years ago, one of the witches was very furious. ಅಂದರೆ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವಿಚಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಟಗಾರ್ತಿಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬಳಿಗೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಕೋಪ ಬಂತು. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ದೇ ಡಿಸೈಡೆಡ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಎ poison to see that the place of earth should not be healthy at all. No man should be healthy at all, was their bad intention, wicked intention, malified intention. By thinking so, they started preparing a potion in a thick jungle. But while preparing a potion, one of the witches made a mistake. It's because of that, a big explosion took place. It was such a big explosion, spota, that destroyed the entire forest. As a result, all the witches turned into tiny creatures. Tiny means very small creatures, like germs. Dear students, have you ever come across the word germs? Germs means some microorganisms. There are mainly two kinds of organisms according to biology, science: micro and macroorganisms. Microorganisms are such small in size and shape, we can't see them even with the help of our naked eyes. To see them, we must make use of electronic microscope that you also might have seen or heard about in your respective schools. Means in our school. Of course, in our school, microscope is there. Your science teacher might have taken you at least once or twice to show such microorganisms in that microscope. So these all creatures, means witches, turned out to be very small creatures, tiny creatures. They are called germs. They were trapped in liquid in a small bottle which was lying in a swamp. Swamp ಅಂದರೆ ತಣ್ಣನೆಯ ಪ್ರದೇಶ ಅಥವಾ ಜೌಗು ಪ್ರದೇಶ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿರಿಯರನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ರಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಜೌಗು ಪ್ರದೇಶ ಅಂದರೆ ತಂಪು ಹಿಡಿದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಜನ, ಹಾಗೆ ಅದು ಹೌದಾ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಒನ್ ಡೇ a little boy found this bottle. ಈಗ ಅವರು ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ವಿಚರ್ಸ್ ಟರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಟೈನಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಚರ್ಸ್, ದೇ ವರ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ಡ್. ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ಡ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ತಮ್ಮಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ತಾವೇ ಬಲೆ ಹಾಕಿಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಟ್ರು. ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಲೆ ಹಾಕು. ದೇ ವರ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ಡ್ in liquid in a small bottle which was lying in a swamp. They became tiny creatures and trapped themselves into a small bottle which was lying there. Then one day, what happened? After this, one day, a little boy found this bottle, thinking it contained a nice new drink. He swallowed it fully. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಜರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಣ್ಣ ಈ ಮಾಟಗಾರ್ತಿರೆಲ್ಲ ಜರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ಬಾಟಲಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಕ್ಕೊಂಬಿಟ್ರು, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೊಕ್ಕೊಂಬಿಟ್ರು. ಅಡಿಗೆ ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಂಡು ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಇದ್ದರು. ಅದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಒಂದು ಮಗು ನೋಡಿತು. ಎ ಬಾಯ್ saw that once and he drank it fully by thinking that the bottle might be containing a new liquid. He swallowed it fully. The germ-like witches took advantage of this situation. Though they could not physically harm anyone, they learned to change the boy's likes and dislikes. ಕುಡ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಯಿತು? The germs, witches in terms of germs, in the form of germs, entered into the body of the boy. But they did not change the boy physically. However, they learned a wonderful act of changing the likes and dislikes of the boy. Now let us understand how the boy, one who drank that poison in which germs were there, in which witches were there in terms of or in the form of germs, how he changes his likes and dislikes after he drank it. They learn to change the boy's likes and dislikes. In a few days, a funny feeling started in the boy's mouth. ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿವಸ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಎ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಫನ್ನಿ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್. ಫನ್ನಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ತಮಾಷೆಯ ಒಂದು ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ? ಭಾವನೆ. ದಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಏನದು? ಇನ್ ಎ ಫ್ಯೂ ಡೇಸ್ ಎ ಫನ್ನಿ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮೌತ್. He no longer wanted to eat vegetables. ನೋಡಿ, earlier the boy used to eat plenty of fruits, vegetables and pulses, cereals. But now, after drinking this potion, after few days of drinking this potion, the boy started feeling that he should not eat vegetables. Then he started liking something else. He didn't like vegetables or eating vegetables, fruits and pulses. Instead, he started likings for something else. Let us see for what kind of items he starts his likings. In a few days, a funny feeling started in the boy's mouth. He no longer wanted to eat vegetables, fruits and good food. All he wanted to do was to ask for pizza, burger and wait for them at home. ನೋಡಿ, ಮೊದಲು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಹಣ್ಣು ಹಂಪಲ, ತರಕಾರಿಗಳು, ಹಾಲು, ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ, ಬೇಳೆಕಾಳುಗಳು ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಭಾಳ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಿದ್ದ. ಬಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಆ ಪೋಷನ್ ಕುಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ, ವಿಷ ಕುಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಬಾಟ್ಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ದ್ರವ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕುಡ್ದ. ಪಾಪ ಅವ್ನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಚಸ್ ಜೇಮ್ಸ್ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಕುಡಿದ ಕೆಲವೇ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆತ ತನ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟಗಳನ್ನೇ ಬದಲಾಯಿಸಿಕೊಂಡ. He wasted his time waiting for food from hotels and restaurants and watching television, eating ice cream and chips. ಅಂದರೆ after drinking that potion in which witches were hidden in the form of germs, he started changing his likings. Though earlier he used to eat plenty of fruits, vegetables and good food items, now he stopped eating them all and started his liking towards eating burger, pizza, ice cream, hotel food, restaurant food, and also went on spending time lavishly just keeping at home himself and watching television. He started eating even chips. Dear students, today eating chips has become one of the most liking habits for children. You also might have watched how many children are going to eat chips, but it is not good for health. Here, see, now the boy had changed his likings. He left off eating good food items like fruits, vegetables, and pulses, but started eating unhealthy food items like ice cream, chips, pizza, burger, and also started waiting for hotel foods and restaurant foods to be brought for him. He stopped even going outside to play with his friends. He no longer did enjoy fruits and vegetables. He did not feel like walking, running, and playing with his friends. Earlier, before he drank that potion, I mean Visha, poison, he would play with his friends by going outside. He would do walking, jumping, playing varieties of games and for sports with his friends. But now he stopped going outside itself. Then where is the question for him to play with his friends? Thus he became very very lazy. Somari ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ. Eventually, he stopped going out of the house and was sitting or lying about. He started feeling ill. The moment when he stopped going outside and play with his friends that he used to do earlier, he started feeling that he was sick. He was ill. He himself only started feeling like this, that he was not feeling well. His health was not in good condition. He was a sick person. ತಾನೊಬ್ಬ ರೋಗಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ. ಆಲ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಹಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಎಟ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಇವೆಂಚುವಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಹಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ಡ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಹೌಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್. ಹಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್. ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ನೋ ಡಿಸೈರ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕುಡಿದು ಸುಮಾರು ಒಂದು 10-15 ದಿವಸ ಆದಮೇಲೆ he stopped even doing any kind of work. But earlier he was very active and he used to do many kinds of activities like going outside, playing with his friends, bringing some vegetables, fruits to home and eating them, eating good items of food, helping his mother, parents, etc. But now he stopped doing all these kinds of activities and went on spending most of his time just by sitting at home and watching television. The evil potion had worked, and the worst thing of all was that the witches had learned to jump from one person to another like virus. Andre, not only this, these witches in the form of germs not only changed the likes and dislikes of the boy, but also learned a very good lesson for themselves how they can jump from one person to another person very easily like a virus. They managed to turn the effect of the potion into one of the worst diseases, the disease of wasting life. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, though the germs did not harm physically the boy too much, but they changed both likings and dislikings of the boy. Andre, the most worst lesson these witches in the form of germs have learnt many lessons, but apart from that, of all those lessons, the worst one is jumping from one person to another person and spreading that disease to all. Thus, communicable diseases came into existence on this planet Earth for the first time. So, after having drunk this potion, the boy stopped going outside, eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, good food items, and started eating pizza, burger, ice cream, and waiting for hotel foods and restaurant foods to be brought. He also started spending most of his time just sitting at home and watching television. Not only that, he thus went on wasting his life. Okay, now let me ask you a few questions which I would like to post here in the same group after the lesson is over, because yet we have to cover just two small paragraphs. Let me continue. It was a long while before, with the help of his microscope, Dr. Fitton Healthy discovered that the little witches were causing this disease. Andre, not only that boy, for the first time that boy drank that potion, he became sick, and later the disease went on spreading from that person, that boy, to other boys and persons. When the disease was spreading like wildfire by leaps and bounds, many people in society became sick, and therefore there was a heavy rush to the clinics. And in one of such clinics, there was a doctor by name Fitton. He soon discovered, he was very intelligent it seems, he soon discovered that the little witches were causing this disease. He realized that this disease was taking place, it is because of those witches who had once prepared the poison, the potion. What for? To see that man should not be healthy at all, and nobody should be healthy at all on this planet Earth with this wicked intention. So after having discovered that the little witches were held responsible for this causing disease, there were no vaccines or cough mixtures to get rid of them. ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಲಸಿಕೆಗಳು, ಕಫ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೆಮ್ಮಿನ ಇದು ಎಣ್ಣೆಗಳು, ಕೆಮ್ಮಿನ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೆಮ್ಮಿನ ಔಷಧಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್, ಅದು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ರಿಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ರೋಗದಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ತಪ್ಪಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಔಷಧಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದ ವಿಚಸ್ ಕುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟಾಲರೇಟ್ ಜಾಯ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗುಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್. He was very intelligent. Therefore, he discovered that the disease was taking place, it is because of those witches. And he also realized that witches did not tolerate people's joy and good health. And therefore, with bad intention only, intentionally, these witches have been doing their duty, doing their job of spreading this disease widely to disturb healthy life of human beings on this planet Earth. Therefore, it turned out that the best cure was to make a strong effort to live a healthy, joyful and happy life. When a person became healthy, the witches had to leave that body as soon as they could, riding off on a sneeze. So therefore, after falling sick, many people went to this clinic where Dr. Fitton Healthy was there. This Dr. Fitton Healthy soon discovered that the witches were responsible for causing this disease. He guided all the people that you should be strong enough, stop eating burger, pizza, ice cream and all these kinds of junk food items which are not good for your health, and start eating plenty of vegetables, fruits and good food items instead, so that the moment you become stronger, definitely these germs will go off, leave you and go away from you. How? The moment when you sneeze means the scene ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಸೀನ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಆ ಸೀನ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಆ ಜರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿಬಿಡ್ತವೆ. ಆವಾಗ ರೋಗದಿಂದ ನೀವು ಮುಕ್ತರಾಗಿ ಹೆಲ್ದಿಯಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಫ್ರಮ್ ದೆನ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ರೆಮಿಡಿ ವಾಸ್ ನೈದರ್ ಪಿಲ್ಸ್ ನಾರ್ ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಆವಾಗ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಲ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ there is no such standard or powerful medicine to get rid of this disease. And what all they have to do is that they should do plenty of exercises, walking, and they should eat plenty of vegetables, fruits, and good food items. At the same time, they should stop eating burger, pizza, vanilla, ice cream, and also all such kinds of junk food items, which usually we people also eat when they are being sold out, um, on the roadsides. You might have seen on footpath you might have seen how these kinds of junk food items are being sold widely. But dear students, please do not eat such kinds of items which are sold on footpath, because they are very very dangerous. Though they taste very good, but they damage your health. Be careful. But here people understood that there are no such effective or effective medicines so far, and for this disease there are no pills and no injections. Instead, what we must do is that we must eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, and good food items. In addition to these, we must also do some exercises every day, regularly, and walking. Okay? Whoever came to see Dr. Fit and Healthy then and took his advice ended up totally well, being cured of the wasting life diseases. Yes. And then on, whoever patient went to the doctor fit and healthy, he guided them. He gave them all, or he gave all his patients a piece of information that no need to take any pills ಅಂದರೆ ಗುಳಿಗೆಗಳು ಅಂದರೆ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್. No need to take any pills or tablets and injections. Instead, just what you need to do is to do plenty of exercises, go on eating fruits, vegetables, and good food items, and also playing some sports and games whenever you are free. So this is all what you need to do to stay healthy for a long time and keep away all these kinds of diseases. Having said so, I would like to stop here because now the lesson came to an end. Now what I should do is that I should take the photos of all these questions based on the subject matter which I have taught to you people so far, and I will post them in the same group for your understanding. You will try to understand the questions first and then answer. But remember, please write your own answers. Do not copy those answers from anywhere, and don't take the help of your elder sisters, brothers, and any persons, because that does not help you. The real intelligence is that what you can do, be it right or wrong, doesn't matter, because without committing mistakes, no man can be perfect. Okay? I hope you understood my point, that you are going to try on your own, even though some questions may be difficult. Doesn't matter. Try your level best. Hope you will do so and follow what guidelines I have given you so far. Thank you, and once again we shall meet tomorrow. Till then, bye bye. Take care.